Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the hottest topics in the tech world right now, how to make money using artificial intelligence in 2025. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's shaping industries, careers, and even our personal lives in ways we never imagined. So, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-blown business, this video will give you the insights and tools to capitalize on AI in 2025. Cut to narrator standing in front of a modern background with visuals of AI technology like robots, computers, and charts. 1. Freelancing and remote work with AI tools. Narrator. Let's start with the basics, freelancing and remote work. AI is a game changer for freelancers. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, AI tools can massively improve your productivity and efficiency. For example, AI-powered writing assistants like ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time, while tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can create stunning visuals and graphics for your clients without needing extensive design skills. Freelancers can use these tools to offer services in areas like content creation, social media management, copywriting, graphic design, web development. The best part? You don't need to be an expert in these fields to get started, just the right tools and a willingness to learn. Cut to animation showing a freelancer working on a computer, generating content with AI tools. 2. Starting your own AI-powered business. Narrator. If you're more entrepreneurial and want to start your own business, 2025 is the perfect time to use AI to create scalable solutions. AI can help automate tasks, personalize customer experiences, and even predict market trends, all of which can give your business a competitive edge. Cut to visual of someone building a startup, using AI for business automation. For instance, you could build a subscription-based AI chatbot service, offering businesses a way to improve customer support with minimal human involvement. Or, you could create a platform that leverages AI to automate marketing or data analysis for small to medium-sized businesses who don't have the resources to hire large teams. 3. Investing in AI stocks and startups. Narrator. Now, if you prefer a more hands-off approach, AI investing might be for you. AI is revolutionizing every sector, and there are plenty of opportunities in the stock market. Companies like Nvidia, Google, and Tesla are leading the way with AI-driven innovations. Cut to stock market charts with AI companies rising in value. You can invest in these companies, or even consider venture capital opportunities, as AI startups are popping up all over the world. You don't need to be an expert in AI to take advantage of this, just keep an eye on the tech world, and make informed investment decisions. 4. AI content creation and YouTube channels. Narrator. Another exciting opportunity in 2025 is the world of AI-generated content, specifically for platforms like YouTube. AI can help you create engaging videos, even without traditional video editing skills. Tools like Pictory or Synthesia can turn your scripts into fully animated videos with virtual presenters, making it easier than ever to start a YouTube channel. Cut to quick montage of AI-generated YouTube videos. You could create content in virtually any niche, from education to entertainment, and AI can help streamline the production process, allowing you to produce high-quality content more frequently. 5. Offering AI consulting services. Narrator. As AI becomes more widespread, businesses are looking for experts who can help them integrate AI into their operations. If you have a background in AI or data science, offering AI consulting services could be a highly lucrative career path. Cut to visual of a consultant advising a team in an office. You could assist businesses in automating processes, optimizing their workflows, or even training their teams to leverage AI tools effectively. The demand for AI expertise will only continue to grow as more companies realize the potential of AI. 6. Building AI models and tools. Narrator. For those of you with a technical background, you could get into the AI development side of things. As businesses and industries adopt AI, they'll need custom AI models and tools tailored to their needs. Cut to person programming AI on a computer screen. By learning how to build and fine-tune AI models, you could either develop your own products or work as a contractor for companies that need specialized AI solutions. Platforms like OpenAI and TensorFlow make it easier than ever to get started with AI development. 7. Passive income with AI tools. Narrator. Finally, one of the most attractive ways to make money with AI is through passive income. With the right tools, you can create content, products, or services that run on their own with minimal input from you after the initial setup. Cut to visual of passive income streams such as automated AI websites or apps generating revenue. For example, you could create an AI-powered website that generates content or an e-commerce store that uses AI to recommend products and automate sales. Once your system is up and running, you can earn money while you sleep. Conclusion. Narrator. To sum it all up, AI is not just for tech professionals anymore. It's creating new opportunities for people in all industries to earn money, whether by freelancing, building businesses, investing, or even generating passive income. Cut to host smiling. So, if you're ready to take the leap into the world of AI in 2025, now is the time to start. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on how you can use technology to your advantage. Until next time, stay innovative and keep hustling.